आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, so the question is 1 plus 1 upon 3x plus 1 into 4 upon 3 into 6x square plus 1 into 4 into 7 upon 3 into 6 into 9x cube, and this is proceeding like this. This is an ongoing series. This is equal to, we are given with 4 options. We have to calculate the answer and then tick which of the option is correct. So I'm writing down the series. So it is 1 plus 1 upon 3x plus 4 into 1s are 4 and 6 3s are 18. So 4 upon 18x square plus 1 into 4 into 7 corresponds to 28 upon 6 3s are 18 and 18 9s are 162 x cube, and this is extending like this. So I am assuming that let it be equal to 1 plus y to the power n. One thing here is to be noted is that n is not natural number. It may be rational, irrational, any number, but not the natural number. Okay, so now I'm writing down, since I've compared it with 1 plus y n square, so I'm writing down it as equation number 1, and I'm writing the given formula for the general 1 plus y to the power n series. So it is equal, it's 1 plus ny plus n into n minus 1 upon 2 factorial y square, and like this series extends. Okay, so let it be equation number 2. Now I am comparing equation 1 and 2. So I'm writing comparing 1 and 2. What I get? The first thing I get is ny is equal to 1 upon 3x. So one thing I can deduce from here is that I can take x is equal to 3ny. Okay, now let it be a. Yeah, now the second thing which we got after the comparison is that n into n minus 1 upon 2 factorial is nothing but 2, y square is equal to 4 upon 18 x square. Now I am replacing this x by 3ny, so it would be equal to 4 upon 18 3ny square. Solving it further, what I get n into n minus 1 upon 2 y square is equal to 4 upon 18 into 9 n square y square. Y cancels with y square cancels with y. 9 2s are 18 and 2 2s are 4. So we are left with n into n minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 2n square. I can also write it as n square by 2 minus n by 2 is equal to 2n square. Correct? Now rearranging this equation, what I can write it as 2n square minus n square by 2 plus n by 2. So I'm taking it all on one side. So what I'm left with 3n square by 2 plus n by 2 is equal to 0. Taking n by 2 common, I'm left with 3n minus 1 is equal to 0. So there are only two possibilities. The first case is that n by 2 equal to 0, and the second is 3n minus 1 is equal to 0, which corresponds to n equal to 1 by 3. Okay, now there is a small correction here. It would be here 3n plus 1, so it would be 3n plus 1 is equal to 0, so n would be minus 1 by 3. Also there is another possibility that n by 2 is equal to 0, but n cannot be 0 because we have already written it here that 1 plus y to the power n. So n cannot be 0 here. So since n is equal to minus 1 by 3, I can use it in here. Let it be equation number x, so I can use it in x. So it means it was ny is equal to 1 by 3x. So it implies I'm using the value of n equal to minus 1 by 3. So it would be minus y by 3 is equal to x by 3. 3 cancels with 3. So what we are left with? We are left with x is equal to minus y, right? Now I will use these values. The one is n equal to minus 1 by 3 and the second is x to the power x is equal to minus y in this equation, that is 1 plus y to the power n. So 1 plus y to the power is n is the general equation. I am using y is equal to minus x and n is equal to minus 1 by 3. What I get, it implies the equation is 1 minus x to the power minus 1 by 3. So let's compare it with the given options. So 1 minus x to the power minus 1 by 3. So it means that option D is the correct option. So option D is correct. I hope it is clear. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।